name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, atas kepada Allah and as the divine Muhammad. That Muhammad is his messenger. And honor exclusive for Dr. Hanif bin Maharin and Dr. Herat Wadawati as the director of Samasta Kamara Ibn Fida. Honorable for all of my teacher, especially for Ms. Rifki as the Ministry of Pesantren Mind Mapping in Hanifida. And the last one is respectful for all of my family. I don't want to forget it. Two, for my parents. And let me introduce myself. My name is Alfie Mishka. In 10th grade, so I'm gonna present my mind map. The title is Sneeze, Part 2. Sneezes, there have a different types. Different type of sneeze. There have a less one sneeze, louder than the other. What the answer? What is gonna be the different your sneeze with your phone, because they have respond differently to allergen depending on of the type of your body. And then the next bridge is other reason of sneeze, body respond differently. The different stimuli altogether, and the sounds of sneeze is a variant in there. There have a variant the sound of sneeze because of a different respond differently to allergen depending on the type of your sneeze. How to sneeze properly? For a sneeze control with a tissue, and then the last with a tissue, and then the last types. And the last step, if you have your sneeze, you can wash your hand to make your hand gonna be clean up from the bacteria, the bad bacteria. Then the last branch is etiquette of sneeze in Islam. Etiquette of sneeze in Islam. As Islam, again rewards by sneezing, they have a mercy and mercy of Allah. And then we have to say, like, after having sneeze, we have to say Alhamdulillah, because we can be out with our bacteria in our body. So I think I hope this is beneficial for you all. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for listening my presentation. So wassalamualaikum. I'm sorry if I have a mistake in my presentation. So wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.